How does Thunder Chameleon work? First, we create a folder. In the folder, we create a text keyword. We name our keyword Example1. Now we'll link a text to the keyword. If we now type our keyword somewhere and hit Enter or space, the linked text will appear. It's that easy. It doesn't matter how big the text is or where you use it. You can also do this for spreadsheets. Let's name our keyword Example2. Now fill in the keyword with some data. If we now enter the keyword in a spreadsheet, the data will appear. Finally, we have keywords with images. Let's name our keyword Example3. Now, attach an image to the keyword. Some programs do not support images, in which case no image will appear. If the program does support images, the image will just appear. Thanks for watching this video, and enjoy the program.